Well, we're making a video, Allie and Grandpa. And Mary. Yeah, we're making cupcakes. Who are we making cupcakes for?
Mama made cupcakes too.
Yeah, Mama. And who else?
Daddy.
For Daddy. And who else is going to get cupcakes?
Sissy.
Yeah, Sissy. And who else? Anybody else? Allie.
Should we show them the cupcakes?
Oh, there's the cupcakes we made.
Ooh.
There. We got to decorate them, huh?
Yeah.
So we're gonna, and here's the fancy things that we're gonna put on there. Just show them.
And Mama.
Yeah.
And me.
That's right. And you're gonna give some to your friend Mia,
Yeah.
because she's gonna be at your house tomorrow, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah.
Me. My hat.
There you go. Now you want to say hello to Naughty. Say hi, Naughty. That's the. You can turn that off because they need. I think they need to go a little longer. You can check. That's the timer. But they've been running long. Well, there's not as many in there. Grandpa gonna check. They should spring back.
Oh, no, that's not.
Okay, a little longer. All right. Okay, Allie, you want to say hi? Say hi to Naughty. Say hi, Naughty.
Hi, Nari.
And say hi, Poppy.
Hi, Puppy.
And say hi, Aunt Ginger.
Hi, Lucy.
There you go. That's everybody. And Aunt Lisa. Say hi, Aunt Lisa.
Hi, Lisa.
And Uncle John. Hi, Uncle John.
Hi, Lucy.
You know what? Uncle John's going to have a birthday this week. Yeah.
Oh, my.
Oh, mine is right. Aunt Lisa already had a birthday.
I
Daddy's birthday's your daddy.
Me.
That's right. Daddy's got a birthday coming up next month with Grandpa.
Oh, can you sing happy birthday to them?
Apple. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
And you sang happy birthday to your sister, huh?
Bye, Sissy.
Yeah. 'Cause how old is Sissy? Sissy is what? Can you say one?
Wow.
One. Yeah. Show Grandma one. Show Grandma one finger.
Wow, face.
One finger. Can you hold up one finger?
Sissy never five.
Yeah,
Oh,
she's
she's
not
not five,
Not
is she?
5 yet. No.
She's one.
Wow.
One. How old is Allie?
2.
Allie's 2. Can you say 2?
You do never five.
Yeah.
You do never five. You do never five.
Well, I
He's not
don't.
5,
I
is
don't
he?
think your Cork is that old.
Mhm.
No, Cork is probably younger than you are. Yeah. Where's your Cork in your chair?
Out there in the.
Oh, he's happy.
Mhm.
Okay. All right. We're going to start another video. Okay.
I want. You want to?
Yeah. Do you see the butterflies in that one?
No. Uh-oh.
Uh
That's
oh.
all right. It didn't spill. Lid stayed on.
It's okay.
Me, my fly.
We'll put those on the cupcakes, huh?
Right there.
All right.